Alright, welcome back to Spicy French Potato Cube, the show where I'm a paper cutout. And the reason I'm a paper cutout is because, my old computer broke, and I'm broke, so I can't get a new one. Also, a boulder crashed in through the roof, so I feel like repairing that is the top priority. I'm also missing 2 walls and the entire roof, so yeah. Anyways, what's the deal with washing machines? Like, laundry machines, I mean. Why are they 2 separate machines? There's like a washing machine and a dryer, but why aren't they just one thing? Like, with dishwashers, there's no dish dryer, it's just a dishwasher with drying capabilities. Capability. God damn it. Capabilities. So, like, why don't they do that with laundry machines? I feel like a very simple answer would be to make more money, but that's boring. Let's look deeper into it. If it's to make money for laundry machines, why don't they do the same thing with dishwashers? Why don't they have a dish dryer? Gonna answer me that? So I feel like this random question popped into my head one day, and I don't know, I feel like I've discovered something, you know, and I really want to find out what the actual answer is, but that would require effort. Yeah, that would require effort, and if you've seen this channel for long enough, you would know that's sort of not my thing. So I'm just gonna search it up on Wikipedia. Hold on a second. Alright, so I searched it up. Turns out, machines that do both washing and drying do exist. They're just really bad. So, if you didn't know that, you know that now. Guess you learned something today. I guess that's the end of the video. Bye.